Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday, happy. Okay, let's stop. Tilly is on the floor sleeping, but she's on her room. And now she got baby girl got a song talk about it. I got some sad news. Your mama died. Like who made that song? I got anxiety. Actually, y'all, I realized I maybe can turn the camera off. Tilly is for Tilly. This boy is old, and I'm so happy for her 'cause she's home. Tilly is so cute, and she's so cute. She got a real sass attitude, and she looks great tonight. And she's super fly, and it's actually 619. So you can hush your mouth and shut it all out, so you never know if I was you right.